What's up guys, Cars with Abe here. Today we are going to do some chill work on the Ford Falcon. I have some goodies ordered and they just haven't gotten here quite yet. But what we're going to do today, as some of you may have noticed, we do not have any brake lights and no turn signals. We used to though. So I have a sneaky suspicion that there might have been a fuse blown or something along the way of putting the new brake switch in with Willwood and that whole process. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, make sure that we do have some brake lights. The headlights work perfectly right now, so that's awesome. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put on some new mirrors. We already have a set of circular mirrors, bright, shiny chrome, so it'll be nice to see that going on the vehicle as well. It needs to be cleaned up inside and out. But anyways, enough talking, let's get to it and let's figure out this brake issue. But I'm going right to the fuse box because I have a feeling that's exactly what it is. All right, so you guys might see a little bit in here and I'll try and get some lighting in. I already turned on that light over there. Gonna try and get in here. You can see we're under the driver's side dash, and up top you can see those three fuses right about there. And then if you look way back there, there's another one, and that's the culprit. I think we blew that fuse. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna change that out. All right, so the fuse is taken out. You can visually see that it's blown. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is replace it. We do have some spare fuses already. Grab those. Thank you. Check this out. While reading it, it says it is a 20 amp. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, we're gonna go back in here and put it in. All right, so that's easy enough. We replaced the fuse in there. It was obviously blown, and I think it had to do something with the fact that when we were putting the new brake switch in from Willwood, we got a little sparky spark. So I think that's what blew it. But we're gonna go ahead and test the brake lights right now. So let's see if they work. Go ahead and brake. Good job. Brake one more time. All right, that one's working. And one more time. Sweet, we work. And let's try the blinkers. Oh, look at that. We have blinker and we have the left. We are good to go. And like I mentioned, we're just moving along. We already had an intuition of what the problem would be. So you know what? I'm glad we figured it out. I'm glad it was easy. Sometimes it just can be so difficult with these older cars, but now we have the new side mirrors, and what we're gonna go ahead and do is start putting them on. All right, so we have this box here. Now, these were in the Falcon for a while, so I'm sure you guys can tell by the box. But check this out. Look at that. Brand new mirror. Beautiful chrome. Got the little mounting plate for it. But this is going to look gorgeous on there. You can even see me filming. So let's go ahead and let's get right to it. Why don't we clean this up just a smidge. I'm super stoked because we're getting so close to making this actually road legal. Some states don't even, or counties don't even have like inspections or anything like that for their vehicles. But Texas over here in the big city of Houston, we do have to pass state inspection, even though that it is a 1964 Ford Falcon. They do have to brake, they have to have all functioning lights, blinkers, brake lights, you name it, wiper blades. We are just getting closer and closer to making it road legal. Now, once it's road legal though, it doesn't mean that we can actually drive it on the road because there's so much stuff that we still need to do. Some linkages that I don't yet feel comfortable driving all the way out on the main highways yet. Suspension components that I have already ordered and we're waiting on those next. So, oh man, I cannot believe this is moving along. We have to clean up the engine bay. Of course, that's on the list to do. But guys, we're making headway. So what we want to do is clean her up, take out this beast of a car, drive it out here, clean her up as much as possible inside and out, and see how well she cleans up. tic tacs. All right, guys, so I am not a professional detailer, so do not judge me on this, but I will say she cleans up very nicely considering all the bad paint that she does have and the body issues, like the rust issues down there as well. But take a look inside here. Man, I feel like this is a night and day difference. Look in the back seat. Oh my gosh, you actually do not mind sitting in here anymore, whereas before I was a little concerned. We have the brand new mirrors on installed, which was super simple. Both sides there. We are still missing the rear view mirror, so that's to come. But guys, she is moving along. That effectively ends today's video, guys. If you liked it, please smash that like button. Don't forget to consider subscribing. Y'all have a great day. Peace.